Come, let's learn how to make Chakka Pradhaman or Jackfruit Payasam. The full detailed recipe is in the description. For this, start off with fresh jackfruit. I have taken about 350 grams. De-seed them and chop them into medium-sized pieces. Blend them into a fine puree or keep it chunky if you like a bit of texture. Heat up a pan and add a tablespoon of ghee. Add the pureed jackfruit and stir continuously for 1 to 2 minutes. To this, add about 1 cup of water. Cover and cook it on a low flame. Stir occasionally. Cook this mixture till it becomes thick. For sweetness, I'll be using jaggery powder, about 250 grams dissolved in 1 cup of water. You may also use whole jaggery, but dissolve it in boiling water first. Stir continuously till it comes to a boil. Next, add coconut milk. Reserve the first extract and use the second and third extract here. Let it come to a boil and switch off the flame. For garnish, heat up 1 tablespoon of ghee. Dice coconut pieces and add this to the ghee. Fry it till brown. Add these coconut pieces to the payasam. Fry some raisins in the same ghee. Once it swells up, add this to the payasam and stir both together. Now add the reserved first extract of the coconut milk to the payasam. Make sure that the payasam is not boiling hot when you are adding this. Keep the flame off and stir this into the payasam. Now your payasam is ready. You can serve it hot or cold. Try it out this Onam and comment down below if you like the recipe. Dhanyavadaha.